Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find songs used in TikTok videos. So let's get into it. Number 1. Check the bottom of the TikTok clip. TikTok users can add songs from the platform's library to their video clips, usually new trending tracks to spice them up. When a song from the TikTok library is added to a video, TikTok adds the song title and the singer to the video. If this is the case with the song you're looking for on TikTok, you'll find the song at the end of the video clip. Number 2. Use Shazam. Shazam is a well-known app that allows users to recognize songs played by any device, which can be useful if you need to find songs used in TikTok. The app has a database of millions of songs, and when you play a TikTok video through the app, it records the song and compares it to the audio in the database. You can also search for a known part of the song that you want to find in the app. The app then shows you the details of the matching results and lets you preview it so you can determine if it's the song you are looking for. Number 3. Try SoundHound. SoundHound excels at identifying specific pieces of audio. It's not quite as popular as Shazam, but it is a great alternative if Shazam can't quite pinpoint the song. In fact, many users find SoundHound to be faster and more efficient at identifying songs. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.